In this video, I'll share how you can reset your Vizio Smart TV without using the remote. Method number 1, soft reset. A soft reset, also called a power cycle, is the easiest and safest thing to try first. This method does not erase any apps, accounts, or settings. It's designed to fix common problems like a frozen screen, SmartCast not loading, or random glitches. To do this, turn the TV off if possible, unplug it from the wall, and wait at least 30 to 60 seconds. This allows leftover power to fully drain. Plug the TV back in and turn it on using the power button on the TV itself. Method number 2, button reset. If a soft reset doesn't work and you need a full factory reset, many Vizio TVs allow you to do this using the physical buttons on the TV. First, make sure the TV is powered on. Locate the input button and the volume down button, which are usually found on the side, back, or bottom of the TV. Press and hold both buttons at the same time for about 10 to 15 seconds. An on-screen message should appear asking you to confirm the reset. Follow the instructions shown, usually by pressing or holding the input button again. Method number 3, phone app. If your Vizio TV is already connected to Wi-Fi, your phone can act as a remote. Download the Vizio SmartCast app on your Android or iPhone. Make sure your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as the TV. Open the app and follow the pairing steps to connect to your TV. Once connected, you can navigate through the TV menus just like a normal remote. Go to Settings, then System, then Reset or Admin options, and choose Factory Reset. Some models may ask for a PIN, which is often set to 0000 by default unless it was changed earlier. If your TV is only lagging or acting strange, always try the soft reset first since it doesn't delete anything. If you're locked out of the TV or preparing it for resale, the button-based factory reset is the most reliable option without a remote. If the TV is still on your Wi-Fi network, using the SmartCast phone app is the easiest and most user-friendly method.